Delete Facebook page on PC and laptop. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following tutorial, I'll show you how can you delete Facebook page on PC and laptop. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, you want to open up a browser and type in facebook.com and log into your account. So when you're logged in here, you can see this is how it's going to look like. So what next you want to do is simply click on the profile initials from the top right hand side corner and go ahead and switch to your page section. So once you've actually done it, so what next you want to do is click on the initials once again and go to settings and privacy. After which, from a drop down menu, you want to go to settings. And when you go to settings, what next you want to do is scroll down to the left hand side bar. And then here you want to go ahead and look for your information. Under that, you want to click on access and control. Once you go to this section here, you'll be able to find two different options, that is deactivate page or delete page. If you're sure about deleting it, so click that and then click on the continue button. After which here you'll be given an option whether you want to download your information or transfer a copy of your information. If you want to do it, so click on download info or transfer info and click the continue button. After which you'll be asked to type in the password associated with it, and then you'll have to click on the continue button. With that being said, page will be deactivated for 30 days. So that is how you can do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.